Hi there. Welcome back everyone. Tonight, as this month of June is approaching to an end, I'm just recently returned to online video recording brilliant.org. Yes, and here it is what just displayed to me. Oh hi, let's get back to solving. Like just because recently I've just quit this session for some time because I've got plenty of work to do, like rearranging lots of housing stuff and so on. Anyway, just doing some quick review questions to get started this online course again. So I'll click this Start Quick Review tab to begin it now. Wait a moment. It's like, yeah, sorry, like there was like reCAPTCHA issue, but now, okay, we're back. Here's problem number 1. Find the midline of the periodic function. Midline is like max 12 and min 4, so like this. Yes, midline will be automatically shown on this curve as you insert these numbers here. Should be equals to 8, so let's check it. That's correct. But why? Okay, I'm not going to read out the explanation, but okay, you just read it by yourself and I'll only show you for a matter of seconds. Okay, ready? Got it? So I'll close and move on to the next problem. Right, problem number 2. A battery discharge signal is shown below. Find the midline of the signal. X-axis is time in seconds and y-axis is current in milliamperes. I learned a bit of physics and still know how this graph shows two relationships. Anyway, just answer this problem. So 4 and 12. Yes, midline should be the same again like previous problem. If I insert these two, should be around here, right? Midline equals 8. Let's check it. Of course, this is correct again, but why? Got it? So I'll close this and move on to next problem afterwards. Yes, last one to be encountered here. Wait. Yes, finally problem number 3. Last but not least, this problem number 3, I'm going to encounter it. Transform the following function so it has midline y equals 3. Right, let's see. This is here. I need to adjust this minimum point. So midline is y equals 3. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, so 3. It should be around 0. If I scroll up again, it should satisfy the criteria 6, 0, so midline 3. Let's check it, shall we? Luckily, this is correct again, but why? I'll scroll down and you just read it out what the explanation has said. Right here. Got it? So close. Yes, after all, I've successfully encountered 3 out of 3 questions correctly after making a brief return to this online brilliant.org, right? Another perfection to get this started again. So now I'll click on this finish tab to conclude this session. Wait a moment. Perfect. Let's keep the momentum going. Total XP gain equals 55. Now continue. Boom. Previously, I got like 90 days streak. It's over because want to stop that maximum streak for now. But here's number 1, where the lightning bolt has returned. You've re-energized your learning habit. Right? You understand it? So continue. Okay, sorry, actually my bad. I did some kind of this trigonometric functions objective, what it says, explore how periodic patterns and circular motion give rise to trigonometric functions. Okay, I'm not presenting this in online brilliant.org, so back to homepage. I'll click on it. Yes, this is what my brilliant.org homepage looks like. I've returned, so only number 1, 23 return. No need this premiere, or my currently would explain again, but trigonometric functions, this is what I sometimes do to re-energize my learning habits back in A-level studies. No. Other courses I recently done like these: programming with variables, complex numbers, scientific thinking, kind of mathematical functions, and so on. But I'm not going to continue this recording anymore because tonight is pretty late, just doing a bit of short kind of quick review what I've previously learned and take into account of my previous courses. That's the end of my today's video. Sorry. Thanks very much for watching, by the way. If you enjoy watching this, don't forget to add a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I'll preview shortly what my channel is about. Also, my corresponding video and playlist, that's what I'm going to show you shortly afterwards. But I'll still come back to record this online brilliant.org session coming up in the future. I have to leave this session now because it is already too late. Time has already run out. That's it, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye, everyone. Okay, you just tune on the ad screen after this.